Hi, Paul here with Diode Dynamics, coming to you today with our newest introduction for the SS3 pod lineup, the Combo 2.0. Now, as you probably know, the SS3 has been on the market for some time, and it's a heavy hitter in the 3-inch pod space. It's available in a range of options, including 3 power levels and 5 beam patterns, including the Combo. Now, when we originally designed the Combo Optic, we took a traditional approach. Like others on the market, we simply combined 2 existing optics. In this case, it was a wide along with a driving hotspot in the center. Now, this design works fine just to shine light down road, and you do get some wide spread as well as a center intensity point. However, when you stack 2 different patterns together, that's exactly what you get. And that means they're not well blended at all. You'll have that center intensity and then the spread light. And the problem with this is it's extremely distracting, especially when you're bouncing up and down off-road. This traditional combo style is still used by most other manufacturers, and it shares the same flaws. We knew it could be much better. Now, the design process for the Combo 2.0 was a lot of fun as well. We started with user feedback. We were getting reports from our racers, from our users, that the Combo just doesn't work. When you have a hotspot and a spread, you just have a really distracting experience. So we got to work. We started in simulation. We tested out a range of widths and heights to decide how we wanted to spread it. And then we made prototypes to get out in the desert and actually test it out. This is actually some footage I took driving around Johnson Valley, testing out the new Combo 2.0. As you can see, the Combo 2.0 is just so nicely blended. It provides a really comfortable driving experience. Even as much as I'm moving around, bouncing up and down, you don't see that distracting hotspot bouncing with you. It causes so much strain, it makes it much more difficult to drive. That Combo 2.0 blend is just the perfect amount of intensity and spread so you can focus on driving. So if you're looking for a great all-around light for a range of speeds and terrains, the SS3 Combo 2.0 might just fit the bill. Now, of course, this isn't a spotlight, it's not a fog light. We have dedicated patterns for those applications. But the Combo 2.0 provides an extremely blended, comfortable light that's great for many applications where you just need extra light in front of you. You can find it online now at diodynamics.com or our authorized dealer network. If you have questions or just want to talk about lights or what type of combo you like to see, please leave a comment below and we'll be glad to talk. Thanks for watching.